Hello everyone, I am Guruji and you're watching my channel Token Guruji. Guys, if you have some money and you want to invest your money in a right way, I think you should join this. This project will go to moon like Elon Musk projects. Elon Musk is a very famous and richest personality in the world. In this video, I will told you about War Crypto. It's a brand new trustable platform, means an NFT. You can also call it an NFT project. So this project will also goes to moon like Elon Musk projects. In this video, I will told you about War Crypto, how you can join this. You can see their pre-sale will live after 23 days, 17 hours and 12 minutes are left to join the pre-sale. You can also join their airdrop and also be a part of their whitelist. And I will also told you on which social sites you can join and be a part of their community. So don't be worried. So before starting my video, I request you please subscribe my channel Token Guruji and also press bell icon for future updates. So let's start my video. First of all, you can see there a beautiful review of our project, of our token, of our NFT project War Crypto. You can see there the sale will live after 23 days. There are only 23 days, 17 hours and 11 minutes are left. You can also join on social site. I will show you about in my video. You can see there prepare to conquer the world with powers. Own your skills and be the first on War Crypto tokens. Play more and earn most in the most awaited NFT game that will be dominate the blockchain. You can also play earn NFTs and also play tokens. So you can also earn with your referrals. So if you if you send your referral link to your friend and he joins this, you will earn $3 worth of $3 tokens, and means their War Crypto tokens. After that, you can see there about War Crypto. What is War Crypto? Let us read. War Crypto is a turn-based fantasy RPG that offers an immersive gaming experience with five main heroes, classic and various spells, abilities and game stages. So you can also join this. When you will read this, you will understand very well. So guys, it's a very trustable platform. I request you please buy this token in a very huge amount. You can also play game. Let me show you some reviews of the gameplay, how many games will be played. I hope their games will played well. Here you can see there's some reviews of their games on which you can play in future. So don't be worried and don't be hurry, guys. You can see there these games are very trustable, means they are interesting. I hope you will buy this token. I also hope you will play. If you're interested to play games, I hope you will join this project. After that, you can see that War Crypto is gaming and earning all in one. It is a role-playing game that brings out the champion in you, beat other players. There is an interesting platform in front of you, means you can also join their whitelist. You can also join their airdrop, and they gave 10,000 first 10,000 YouTubers, mean first 10,000 joiners gave about $300 lakhs. So after that, you can see their combat mode, PvP challenge. You can also play games in PvP, fusion, adventures. These are the kind of games. Here you can see that about after we look in the NFT heroes. What are the NFT heroes? Let me show you. You can see that there are the heroes. You can also buy. You can also play games with him. You can see that there are normal. There are maximum. You can also play games. You will also there are only. You can also update this. You can see that there are only 30 levels you updated. Warrior means there are warrior, normal, a girl, which you want to select. You can also play games with assassins and everything. Now I will tell you about their roadmaps. What are their roadmaps? What they want? What are their views and what will this project will goes to moon or not? So in July 2021, the release our ideas, means data collection. In August 2021, conceptual art and design NFT game system, Play to Earn system. In September 2021, our official game design items, characters and skills, game system and platform development. In October 2021, you can see their pre-sale, pre-marketing, smart contract preparation, website and white paper, white link for pre-sale, warrior characters, items, skills and in-game system overview. In November to December 2021, they will do about War Crypto token pre-sale phase 1 and phase 2, private sale and VRCP exchange listing. It's a great chance for those people. It's an opportunity for those people who wants to earn money in a very short time. It means their win are very high. You can see there they are thinking on up to the next year, means 2022, January 2022. They will do about their token on marketplace launch and breeding fusion system launch and character and items trading in marketplace. War Crypto heroes mystery boxes release phase 1 and 2, tiers and trailers of in-game battle system. In February 2022, you can see their game system governance, WEF tokens, War Crypto Illifix fusion release for rewarding system. In March 2022, you can see their War Crypto RC tokens staking game. And April 2022, you can see their gameplay, betting, testing and means they test their game. And May 2022, gameplay, mobile game app development. June 2022, game gameplay, public launching, mobile application download releases, and more to the follows. Means you can also join on roadmap. It's a very trustable platform. You can see their vision very high. They will grow their community, and they will also launch some games and some mobile games. You can also play games and earn money. You can also earn money with their referral. If you send your referral to your friend and they will join, you will get worth of $3 WRC, means War Crypto. Here are some game trailers. Let me show you. When you click on this, you can see that there the game trailers will be launching soon, so don't be worried guys. When it's launched, you can also play this game, or you can also play this trailer and see this. Now I will tell you about the tokenomics, how they distribute the token, what are the distribution. First of all, you can see their token name is War Crypto token, and token symbol is WRCP, and total supply it's a very huge amount. So guys, buy it's now become a solo. You can see that it's a very huge amount. It's a chance for you to buy this token and to buy this, be a part of the community. Now you can see the token sale are 9000 WRC. It's a very huge amount. The release launched for 5. Launch pad are for 5%, liquidity are also for 2%, and IDO for 2%, private sale are for 5%, and gaming reward are 20%, and staking for 8%, and deals and advisor are for 8%, and token sale is 20%, and marketing and community are for 5%. So it's a community, it's a tokenomics. You can also create some creative team, means their team are very high, means you can see there around Nika and Yongdu, means they are very, this is the team. I hope you will like this team, and they are very cooperative and hardworking. Give a big hand to him. So guys, I love their team because they are very hardworking. So I hope they will do. They want to grow their community, and they want to go. They will promote their project from other some YouTubers, and I hope this project will go strong. After that, in short, I will told you about what are the FAQs, how you can join this, how much you want, and everything. What is means some questions I will show you. What is WAR crypto, what is War Crypto, what is our CF token? When you will read this, you will understand. Where just click here and you can see there about the update of War Crypto. War Crypto, the latest play to earn NFT game that features countless cute and playable characters which can be bred and fused to create it. So guys, it's a chance for those people who want to join this in a very huge amount. So here I will told you about when you will read this their FAQs, you will understand very well what are their questions and everything. So I hope after reading this your concept will be clear. After this project is not a scam. So buy these tokens and be a part of their community. So now I will told you how you can join. If you want to contact on this, you can also contact some social sites. I will also told you in my video. So now I'm going to told you how you can join on social sites. Let me show you. I'm giving a review of some social sites. When you click on Facebook, you can see a review of their Facebook page. You will just click here if you follow him and be a part of their Facebook page in the Facebook community. You can also join on Twitter. Let me show you. When you click on this, you can see that this route is already restricted, and you can also join in Discord. And its project is also called an NFT project. And here you can see finally, if you want some questions, if you want some questions, you can also be a part of their Telegram link. You can see that there are only 688 members and 66 are there online. So be a part of their community and talk with their admins, moderators, devs. They will cooperative. They will solve your problems and everything. You can also join on Medium. Let me show you their page. You can just follow him and be a part of their community. It's a chance for you to buy this token in a very huge amount. Now I will give you a review of their white paper. When you click on white paper, you can see a review of their white paper. You can see there are only 554 pages. So let me show you their first page. You can see their War Crypto. This is not a game. This is a war. Means it's a very huge one. Their win are very high. Table of content. What will they do? They show in their white paper. First of all, you can see there about skills, table of contents. After that, you can see there about introduction. When you will read this, you will understand very well. So I hope you will understand. When you will read the totally white paper, your concepts will be clear, your doubts will be clear from your mind, and you will join this project because this project is now on fire. And you can see that the website is looking very promising, and this project is very legit. After that, you can see there's some white paper. Just read the white paper information and what are their mission and vision and everything. What are their roadmaps? I will also told you in my video. Means their own website and what they do on which month. Means they fix their time. They in 1 month they will do only 1 to 2 things because they want to focus on their target. Here you can see about their after roadmaps. You will see about their game overview, what are their game overview and everything. So I hope their game will play well. A War Crypto token, what is War Crypto token, everything. So guys, when you will read this, you will understand very well. So now let's come back to our main website. It's a very trustable platform. Now I will tell you about some marketplace. When you click on marketplace, you can see their marketplace is coming soon. You can also sold their tokens here. And it's a not a scam, guys. If you have some bad doubts, so please do your own research on this project and clear your mind about this project. So So if you want to play games, you can also play games on their website, on their page. Let me show you. Just click on plays here. You can see there play games. You can, these are the game, and you can, these, it's under development, so you can also join this. So you can just click on play and you can see there are also game. Just sign up. Now I will told you how you can airdrop, means you can, how you can join that all airdrop and everything. So let me show you. Just go to the top of this video and here you can see that the airdrop. Just click here. When you click here, you can see there a review of their, just it's a new iTop open in a new tab. You can see there. You can see they will give a review, means they are giving 50 lakhs, mean they are giving to 50 lakhs token WRCP in worth of 3 lakhs token dollars. So you can see that means if you are the first 10,000 registered users, you will get this. It's a chance for you. So just for join this community and fill the form and submit it. So I hope you will earn this worth of $3 3 lakh dollars. It's a very huge amount, guys. So I hope you will like the video. So please guys, buy this token, buy this project, join this project in a very. So I hope you will like my video. So you can also use this contract address in my video. You can also customize this in Pancakes and Trust Wallet. So this is my video. I hope you will like my video. Let's meet in my next video. So before ending my video, I also request you, please guys, subscribe my channel Token Guruji and also press bell icon. Let's meet in my next video. Take care of yourself, buddies.